Welcome to OutdoorSumo.com. Hi guys, today I will show you Crazy Skates Rolla roller skates for boys and girls. The Rolla is the perfect roller skate for young and beginning roller skaters. They are packed full of high-quality parts to ensure the best experience, including ABEC5 chrome speed bearings and a high-impact chassis. They will provide a light, strong and stable platform upon which your child can learn how to skate and create a lifelong passion for a healthy and sporty activity. These roller skates sit upon our signature polyurethane wheels and toe stops, not plastic like seen in our competitors' skates, that are designed to perform great on both indoor and outdoor surfaces, from the streets to the roller rinks. Crazy Skates built the Rolla from the ground up to keep your children's feet happy so that they can comfortably skate for hours at a time. The sneaker-style boots feature are padded both for support and to provide the best skating experience possible. Thanks for visit this channel.